Now is available at McCarthycars BMW 3 Series 2011 metallic blue. Car has front headlight washer, it's got front fog lights, it's got 17-inch alloy wheels, it's got roof rails, car has rear parking sensor, it's got split folding rear seats, full grey leather interior, it's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX child seat preparation, for electric window, electric mirror, front auto headlights. Car has push button to start. It's got DAB radio, aux connection, CD, telephone, Bluetooth connection, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning. It's got automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel, holders. Thank you for watching.